My name is Paul Speed Andrews. I'm the manager for noise and vibration development. The Canto is Nissan's acoustic vehicle alert system that emits a sound which informs pedestrians of the presence of the car. It's introduced for the first time on the LEAF My21. The sound is made up of two simple tones that match nicely and authentically with the natural sound of the motor of the car. The first thing we do is fit it to the car, and we do a subjective evaluation. It involves driving it, experiencing how the customer would feel in the car and also what the pedestrians would hear as the car came past. We use a binaural head and torso with microphones at the ears and just record exactly what the driver or the passenger would hear. We use digital filtering to tweak, to change, to modify the sound to best meet our requirements. But it's really important for us at Nissan, our strive towards a zero fatality driving experience, that we have a sound that not only meets the regulation but also portrays a great brand image. So Nissan has always been a pioneer for safety and innovation, and it's just great to come to work knowing that we're shaping the future of electrification.